These are Dolly's standard poodle babies. This is one of the girls. Here's a boy. This is a girl. No, that's a boy. And that's a girl back there. What are you doing? Don't you want to come play? Huh? I'm thinking. And that's a boy too, but he's already sold. Hi, babies. Are you gonna escape? Hi. Hi, sweetie. Oh, yes, you're so sweet. It's like, come on, guys, it's time for nap. Huh? Come on, guys, it's time for nap.